I'd like to share with you the kit I got from Amazon today. This is to hold the chainsaw bar. Stick it in any wood or a stump or something. Tighten it up in there. Comes with this carrying case. It's got two handles with it. It's got a plastic handle and a wood handle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 round files, 1 flat file. The guard, I guess, it shows you the angle to file the teeth, the cutting teeth, and then it has the height of the dogs too. Has this. Not sure what it is. I'll figure it out as we go. I'm sure y'all know what it is. Here, this is plastic. Not sure what I'm going to use it for either. It has some writing on it. Chain pitch, depth gauge, radius, depth gauge, tooth length, depth gauge, depth gauges. So we'll figure it out as I go. That's to clean the bar out. Looks like a handy little kit. Be carrying with me when I go out into my property here and cut some trees down. And we will go from there. All right, thank y'all.